occasion, I would be granted the opportunity to represent my company in a foreign country by training employees there. I would do research on culture, regulations, laws, and other intangibles to make sure I wouldn't offend or insult the people I taught. This one time I was training 4 days in South America. I arrived safely and settled into my hotel. It was walking distance to the training facility, but it was surrounded by a secure fence and you needed access to enter. Day 1, I brought my company ID and passport. The guard asked me to fill some paperwork out, and I was able to enter the secure area. I did the same thing for day 2. Then day 3, I did the same thing, and when I went through the turnstiles, a customs officer stopped me, asked to see my documents. He became angry and escorted me to a side building and into a secure room. He was yelling in Spanish, and I was getting worried. Luckily, one of the people I was training saw what happened. He went to his manager, and they showed up to talk with the customs officer. They translated to me that he thinks I am taking jobs away from his citizens. I told them to tell him that I'm actually creating jobs. He was going to put me in a jail cell, revoke my passport and ID. I told the manager that I am not leaving until I have my documents returned. I finished my training the next couple of days and returned to my home office. A new vice president happens to visit my office, and I tell him the story. I suggest our company should provide satellite phones to instructors for international travel. He said it will be his top priority to get this completed. It has been a long time, and he has never followed through with his promise. And this is when I coined the term, I'm gonna hold my breath, which is a joke because everything I suggest for safety purposes, my company never listens to me, and they never follow through.